You have spent years trying to get your life together, years, and if you're being honest with yourself, you're still not where you thought you'd be by now. Not because you're lazy, not because you don't want it badly enough, but because every solution you've tried came from the same place: other humans. Flawed, complicated, overthinking humans selling you systems they barely live by themselves. But there is one living creature that has never once struggled with discipline, with loyalty, with letting go, with showing up. And it has been sitting right next to you this whole time, wondering why you haven't figured it out yet. There are 5 rules your dog already lives by, and they might be the most honest life advice you've ever received. 5 rules that can completely change the direction of your life. Rule number 1, be loyal to the right people and cut everyone else off. Dogs don't try to be liked by everyone. They choose their people, go completely all in, and don't waste a single drop of energy on anyone outside that circle. Most people do the opposite. They say yes to everyone, stay connected to relationships that stopped serving them years ago, and wonder why they feel drained all the time. Research into human social behavior has consistently shown that people can only maintain about 5 genuinely deep relationships at any point in life. Beyond that, your emotional energy simply runs out. So the energy you're giving to the wrong people is energy you're stealing from the right ones. Cut the circle down, go deeper with fewer. Your peace and your focus will improve almost immediately. Rule number 2, rest without guilt. Dogs sleep up to 14 hours a day, and nobody calls them lazy. Because a rested dog is a ready dog. Simple as that. This isn't about sleeping 14 hours like your dog. That's not the point. The point is what rest actually does to a human being, and why so many people are struggling to reach the life they want simply because they never stop. There is a culture right now that treats busyness like a badge of honor. People brag about how little they sleep, and meanwhile, their decisions get worse, their mood darkens, their creativity dries up, and they can't figure out why they're putting in so much effort and going nowhere. Sleep science has proven that a tired brain cannot learn properly, cannot regulate emotions, and cannot perform anywhere close to its actual ability. You are not pushing through tiredness and winning. You are working at a fraction of your capacity. Rest is not laziness, it's maintenance. When you rest properly, you think more clearly, handle pressure better, and the work you produce in less time beats everything you were forcing out while running on empty. Rule number 3, go all in or don't bother. Watch a dog with a ball. Every bit of its attention locked on one thing until the job is done. Then it resets and goes again. Full effort every time. Most people live in the middle. They're at work but thinking about home. They start things and don't finish them. They commit to goals and quietly abandon them when it gets hard. Decades of research in performance psychology have shown that the moments people describe as their most fulfilling and most productive are almost always moments of complete absorption in one thing. You cannot get there with split attention. Whatever you're doing, do it completely. One task, one conversation, one goal. Stop giving everything a small piece of yourself and start giving one thing everything you have. You'll finish more, feel more satisfied, and actually move forward. Rule number 4, forgive fast and move forward. You can disappoint a dog deeply, and within minutes, it has completely let it go. No replaying, no hidden score. It processes, releases, and comes back to you fully present. Most humans carry years of old pain, old arguments, old betrayals, and that invisible weight is quietly costing them more than they realize. Studies on forgiveness have found that people who hold on to resentment carry measurably higher stress hormones, worse physical health, and lower life satisfaction than people who let go quickly. Holding a grudge doesn't punish the person who hurt you. It slowly damages you. Forgiving fast is not about pretending nothing happened. It's about refusing to let something that already ended keep controlling how you feel today. Your dog doesn't drag yesterday into today, neither should you. Rule number 5, read energy, not words. Your dog is never deceived by what you say. It feels what you actually mean. Research has shown that dogs process human emotional tone in the same brain region used to read each other's feelings. They bypass the words and go straight to the truth underneath. Words are easy to control. People lie with words every day. They say they're fine when they're not. They say they support you while hoping you fail, but energy doesn't lie. How do you feel after spending time with someone? Lighter or heavier? That feeling is data. One of the most quoted lines ever written says it perfectly. When someone shows you who they are, believe them the first time. That's energy reading. The people who get betrayed the least in life are not lucky. They just stopped listening only to words and started paying attention to what they actually feel. Your dog has never once been fooled by a carefully worded excuse. Learn from that 5 rules. No program, no fee. Be loyal to the right people. Rest without shame. Go completely all in. Forgive fast. And read energy over words. Your dog lives all 5 every single day without thinking about it. Maybe it's time you did too. Subscribe. There's a lot more where this came from.